Hello, it's my first time solo traveling internationally and we're going to Osaka, Japan.
Sabi yung init, pawis na pawis na ako. Kaya made it to Osaka. Sobrang init dito na ako sa Japan. Made it to my hotel. Sa Coco Hotel ako magstay. Meron ding free toiletries available dito. You can get anytime. This is my room, very small. Parang mostly lahat naman ata dito maliit ang rooms. Small television, working area, bathroom. May kasama rin siyang pantulog. Dapat pala din ako nagdala. I'll go down to eat kasi hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. At almost 10 p.m. na. Meron katapat na 7-Eleven store yung pinagsustayan ko.